Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Windows 11 latest update April Patch Tuesday KB5083769. So I am going to discuss about what are the features introduced with this update also. So to download this update, open settings, tap on Windows Update, tap on check for updates. So after you tap on check for updates, it will display the available updates to download. So just download and install the update KB5083769. So after you installing this update, the system it will ask for the restart. So just restart your system. In my case, I already installed this update. To check the previously installed updates, tap on update history. Here you can find the installed updates. So the KB5083769 is already installed. So after you restart the system, the revision number also automatically going to change. So now we will see what are the features introduced with this update. The first feature it is now you can turn on or off the smart app control without reinstalling the Windows operating system. So for that, navigate to start menu, type Windows Security. Tap on this Windows Security. Tap on app and browser control. Tap on smart app control settings. Toggle this button on. So tap on yes. So after you tap on yes, the smart app control it is turned on. So what it will do actually, it will block the any untrusted files and apps also. So in this way you can turn on or off the smart app control without reinstalling the Windows operating system. This is the one good feature introduced with this update. And another feature it is now the about page has been redesigned to show more detailed hardware specification including GPU name and storage information. So for that open settings, tap on system, scroll down, tap on about. So here you can observe the about page has been redesigned. So it will it will display more detailed hardware specification. Before you cannot find graphic card information or storage information. Now you can find the graphic card information and graphic card name and GPU, and you can find the storage information like storage details, how much space it is free. You can find those details also in the about page. So this is one major change introduced with this update. And another feature, now you can add the voice for language using Narrator. Open settings, tap on accessibility, scroll down, tap on Narrator. Now you can observe here the Narrator page also redesigned, and here you can find the add voices. So using this add voices, you can add the voices for languages also. So just tap on add to add the voice to the language. So you can add the voice for any language which you want. For example, I will choose German. And if you want to preview, you can preview also just by tapping on that language. So when you tap on that language, it will give you the.
Hallo, mein Name ist Connor. Ich bin eine hochwertige Boxführer, die Sie für
So when you tap on that language, you can preview also. When you tap on the language, you can preview also for that voice. So tap on add, choose the language, for which language you want to add voice. So by tapping the language, you can preview also. Select natural voice to preview. So just tap on download and install. So to just download and install, it will take around 1 or 2 minutes. So just please wait. So in this way, you can add the voice for language, any language, using the narrator. This is one more good feature. And the another feature it is, so when you download the files from the internet, you can unblock them actually. So open the file explorer, tap on downloads. So you can unblock the files to download from internet. So just select that file and tap on properties. Tap on properties and here you can see the option. Here you can see the box unblock. This file came from the another computer and might be blocked. So just check this box to unblock. Tap on apply, tap on OK. So this is one more good feature with this update. And the next thing is, now actually Windows 11 supports the monitors with more than 1000 Hz refresh rate. Windows 11 now supports monitors with more than 1000 refresh rate. So generally for that, open settings, tap on system, scroll down. Sorry, after you tap on system, just tap on display. Scroll down, tap on advanced display. Here you can check the refresh rate actually. The refresh rate. So generally now I am using the laptop. So I don't have any monitor now. I don't have any monitor external. I don't have any external monitor. So if you have any external monitor, now Windows 11 supports the monitors with more than refresh rate of 1000. So in case if you have any monitor, external monitor, you can check actually by navigating to the system and display. By navigating to the system and display and advanced display. And here you can check the refresh rate for external monitors. So why? Because now after installing this KB5083769, now the monitors is supporting the more than 1000 hits actually. So this is also one more feature. So that's it guys. That's all about this April Patch Tuesday KB5083769 update. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and please hit like button and please hit bell icon. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends and family also. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for your time.